Want to do an unboxing video to show the new Carter guides that I just ordered for my Laguna 14BX bandsaw. Here on the right, you'll see the original guides that came with it. This is the lower guide, the two screws that hold it in, the upper guide. And I've got a video in there where I talk in my collection where I talk about how much I dislike these guides and how much these guides themselves, no matter how much you tighten this down, if you're cutting bowl blanks, how much these will come loose and move. So I've taken these off the saw and I've ordered the Carter guides. And what you get with the kit is a bracket to hold in the lower guide here. You get the upper guide and you get set screws and instructions. A couple things I will say, I have not mounted these yet. I'm going to have a video obviously reviewing the mounting of it, but of how well built these are. I can look and see you've got the two roller bearing guides here that are held in by screws to prevent them transversing left or right. And then you've got a back end guide for the back of the blade that you can align up. So appears very well engineered. Same thing for the lower saw here, ability to adjust the back end to set the two roller bearings for the lower guide. So excited to try these, but this is what you do get in the set. And you've got instructions here, depending on whether you've got the 01, the 1412, or the SUV that walk you through basically how to mount the saw, how to mount the guides and the adjustment procedures. So looking forward to trying these out and conducting a review, but wanted to share what you get when you order the Carter guide kit.